Lily, a 9-year-old American, struggled with Mandarin, but gained confidence with support. This video explores how to boost your child's confidence through learning Mandarin. 1. Positive feedback is crucial for building confidence. Lily's parents praised her efforts, gave small rewards, and kept a learning journal to track progress. 2. Setting small goals boosts confidence. Lily's parents set weekly Mandarin goals and celebrated achievements, which motivated her. 3. Using Mandarin in real life boosts confidence. Lily's parents encouraged speech contests and talent shows, which made her feel accomplished. 4. Informal methods also boost confidence. Lily taught her parents basic Mandarin weekly, and their praise made her feel proud and confident. If you're interested in having your kid learn Chinese online, sign up now for our free trial class, and you can enter our 618 lucky draw. Sign up for a free trial lesson by leaving a comment below, and we will contact you as soon as possible.